Before working on the vehicle fuel or electrical systems, it is recommended to always disconnect the battery first. Before disconnecting the battery for repairs, it is recommended to turn off electrical power consumers and follow a few procedures that I am going to show in this video. Unlock the car and disable the anti-theft alarm system by pressing on the unlock button on the key fob. Enter the vehicle and turn on the ignition by briefly pressing on the start-stop button without applying the brakes. Turn the AC off. Turn the MMI off by doing a long press on the volume knob. Fold the side mirrors. Apply the parking brakes. Put the light switch on the 0 position. Unlock all doors. Turn off the ignition. When opening the doors, the windows lower approximately 10 mm automatically. This function is not available when the battery is disconnected, which means there's a risk that the door sill or the windows could be damaged. To prevent this from happening, open all 4 doors to make all the windows lower to the safe position. Leave them slightly open. Pop the trunk. Fold the cargo floor. Remove the spare wheel. Remove the vehicle tool kit. Remove the battery retaining bracket using a 13 mm socket wrench. For a detailed video on how to access the battery, follow the link in the description. Remove the battery negative terminal cover. Use a 10 mm socket to disconnect the earth cable from the battery negative terminal. Keep the cable away from the battery negative terminal and make sure it does not come into contact with it. Immediately disconnect the connector for the battery monitor control unit J367. Cover the earth cable with some isolating material and lay it on the side. Manually lower the trunk lid. Do not shut it. You can now shut all 4 doors. The windows will stay slightly down, which will prevent any damage when opening and closing. Open the driver's door. Pop the hood. You can now perform repairs.